Hello guys and welcome to JND. Today I'll introduce you guys this 6.35mm male to 2x6.35mm audio cable with the brand new design. The packaging looks really awesome and very eye-catching. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up.
Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Alright, inside the box we're greeted with the cable itself and the JD card. Alright, the first thing I want to mention is the cable. The cable has this new design that feels really good in hand. Alright, so basically what this cable can do, it converts 6.35mm devices into 2x6.35mm enabled devices, which is super cool. Let's go ahead and take a look at the gold-plated connectors. As you guys can see, it is very nice and also corrosion resistant for better transmission of sound signals. Let's go ahead and take a look at the PVC jacket. The PVC jacket seems very sturdy, plug and play and good to go. Really convenient, highly recommended.